Hello everyone. This is my first time making a video, so if I sound strange or if for some reason I do something wrong, it's just because this is my first time trying this. So yeah, I hope it goes well. Um, this is just gonna be a quick video because people have asked on my stream how to set up a Japanese keyboard. So I'm just gonna do that real quick and show you guys how I set up my Japanese keyboard. Now I'm using Windows 10 at the moment, and with Windows 10 there is a built-in keyboard, and this keyboard can be, uh, you know, whatever language that you want to use. So just show this quickly. So if you go into, if you're on Windows 10, you should click on the Start button, go into Settings, um, and let's see, Time and Language, and it should be this one. Yeah. So as you can see, under preferred languages, I have English, Japanese, and a Chinese keyboard. And so once you've selected this, you just click here as add a preferred language, type Japanese, so Japanese here. I already have it added, so it would just be great for me. But if you go here, click Japanese, click next, there should be a window that pops up. Hold on, I'll just remove this quickly. Alright, so you go into this. You can choose to set as your display language if you want as well, but the main thing is just to get the keyboard. So just click install, wait for it. This might take a while, so yeah, just gonna wait for a bit. All right, here we go. And if you want to, you can also change the position of the keyboard type that you're using. So if I go in here, it should show. Make sure you click on this thing. It should be on this button here on your toolbar. It should be right next to the clock, and it should say ENG uh, if you're using the US keyboard. Sorry, mine's Australia, but uh, it would say here the same for United States, um, British keyboard if you use that, and any other keyboard. But yeah, so once you do that, you just go here and you click on Japanese. So when you see the cross, it just means that you can't type anything. Or hold on. Yeah, it would just be it would just be the alphabet. For it to become hiragana, I'll just open this quickly. All right. So you see how there's an A here. So you don't want that. You don't want this A because this A would just be the alphabet. So A B C D E F. Simple, right? So instead of that, what you want is to have the hiragana symbol. Uh, for hiragana, it's easy because all you have to do is just click on this, go back, and you'll go back and forth, and make sure this is on J for Japanese. And then if you want to go back to English, you just click on this again, and you go back to that. All right, so type this. So A-E-I-O-U in hiragana. As you can see, it's typing that out now. If you want to type in kanji, you just type the the um the word as its furigana pronunciation. So uh, it's pronounced kanji. So ka, n, and ji for the 3 characters to make up the word kanji, and then there should be a pop down box that comes down showing what to do. Oh, sorry, showing the list of kanji. Just select that, press enter, and you should have that. Simple. For katakana, it's pretty much the same thing. You do the same thing with like katakana words, but the only difference is that what you do to get katakana is you right click on here. There should be there's a couple of options here, but the ones you want to focus on is these 2, maybe 3. No, sorry, 2. The first 2, and there you go. You just type that in. Katakana doesn't use kanji, so you don't have to worry about remembering kanji for katakana. You just type it in, and that's it. For those not using Windows 10, there are other options. So for MacBook, actually no, I'll start with Windows 7 first. You can use the Google IME for Windows 7. So alright, so we see here it says input method IME Google input tools. Sorry, not that one. This one, yes. So it should say Nihongo Nyuryoku, which means Japanese input. So you just download this, and once you've installed it, so I'm just going to download this quickly. Just click accept. You don't need to select any of this. Just click save file. Click install. Whatever admin permissions, things like that. Just get that done quickly, and it should download. And once it's done, it should appear here as well. So that's basically where you go to. There are hotkeys. I believe you can search those online. I don't use hotkeys just because I'm fine with just clicking on here and selecting that. It doesn't really make a difference for me. If you like hotkeys and you prefer it to be quick, you can find the hotkeys online. Let me just do Google search. Hotkeys. Yes. All right. So there's hotkeys here. Some people have mentioned it. This is for the Windows 10 keyboard. I'm not sure about Google because I don't use this anymore. Ever since Windows 10 came out, I do not use this. I only use this. But it's pretty much the same thing. You can right click, change to hiragana. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. So you can change the katakana, hiragana, and you should see the symbols change. Konnichiwa. So as you see, as you type the hiragana in, there should be auto inputs or auto kanji drop down. So it's kind of like an autofill, but it lets you choose what words that you want to use. So yeah, that's it. For Mac, if you just go into your keyboard settings, it should be easily locatable. Mac is one of those devices where there's lots of documentation online, so you can just search it up easily. And then there should be a button on the top right hand corner. Let me just type that. Mac keyboard. No, not that one. Sorry. All right. Okay. All right. So let me just zoom in on this. So if you see in the top right hand corner, there's a flag there. If you set the language properly, yeah, if you have set the keyboards correctly, there should be an option here. If you just click down the drop down box, it should appear. Uh, yeah, I don't really use Mac, so I have a MacBook, but I don't really use it as much if I have my PC in front of me, so I don't need to do that. So yeah, that's it. For Linux, it's a bit more complicated because you have to install a couple of extra packages. There is a guide somewhere. I will try and find it. But yeah, uh, I'm sure most people use Windows, so I'm just making this Windows, and quite a number of people use MacBook as well. So yeah, uh, that's pretty much it. Uh, so if you have any questions for me, just put it down in the comments, and I'll try and answer them for you. So yeah, yeah, I hope that this video has uh, helped you guys. You know, if you're struggling to set this up. Sorry this didn't come out sooner. I've been pretty busy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy your day, week, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you on stream. Thanks. Bye.